All right, we're good. All right, three, two, one. Hey, Bear, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm fine.
So, thank
Yeah.
you so much for coming on this. This is part two of our video series. Today, we are going to be looking into a simple smart contract deployment and token transfers. So, tell me, Bear, what chain are we starting on today?
We can start it from the COI network, which is the official free test network for the Darwinia chains. So I think it's a perfect place to test it.
All right, as we discussed last time in the last video, if you haven't watched it, please go one video back in the series and you will get to see the differences between Coin Network, Crab, and Darwinia mainnet. Coin Network is a test net of Darwinia. So here, this is where we are going to be testing all of our applications before we move them to Darwinia. And again, you can find a link in the description for claiming your KOI tokens for testing your applications out. All right. Thank you so much, Bear. Let's get started, Bear.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Perfect. If you can zoom in just a little bit, that would be amazing.
Hello.
Yeah. Sorry, I can hear your screen. Sorry, I can see your screen. But if you can zoom in just a little bit, that would be
Okay.
better.
Okay. Okay, today I will have an introduction about how to connect the COI test network with the most popular wallet, MetaMask, and then we will do some transfer in the COI test network, and have some simple smart contract deployment in the COI test network. The simple ways the simplest ways to connect wallet MetaMask to the Coin network is you can link the Darwinia network docs and the developer, the Cointest network. There is a button that you can click the connect button and it will drop to the chain list. There is a button to add to MetaMask. It will load the network information, the RPC, the key ID, and the currency symbols. And you just click the approve. It will end the network to your MetaMask. You can see the default network have been switched to the Darwinia Coin Test Network. I prepared two accounts here. The first one is called Test Account 1, and the second one is Test Account 2. Once you have entered the Coin Test Network into your MetaMask, the second thing that you need to do is you need to get some free token. We prepared there is a faucet that you can use is here next to the connect wallet button, and you can click the faucet coin network and copy the account address and paste here and request. It will send you 10,000 free tokens once per days. You can track the transaction here by clicking this link. It will display in the Coin Network Explorer, and you can see it's in the pattern now.
Again,
Once
guys,
it's finalized,
sorry, just a little bit adding it over here, Bear. So, everyone watching, all of these links will be in the description. So, if you cannot see these links properly or you're not able to copy them, we will be putting them in the description. Continue, Bear. Thank you.
okay. Once you can, it turns to success and check out your account balance in the MetaMask. It will say you have got the free token. It's very simple and easy to operate. Next, we have some free token. You can set some token to from the account test one to the account test two. Let's give it 100 and continue. Confirm.
While we are waiting for this beer, do you want to share some details about the coin network? How long is the block time, and a bit more details around that?
Okay. The default block time for the coin network is 6 seconds. So it may take less than six seconds to the transaction will be all chain, and you can track this by the view on the block explorer to see transactions.
And is the block time for Darwinia, Koi, and Crab all same?
Yeah, they are the same.
All
Both
right.
the networks have this explorer.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can say, and then after once the transaction is success, you can say check out the second account. It will get some tokens. Okay, this is the first. This is the introduction about the token transfer. Next, we will have some introduction about the simple smart contract development or the deployment. The easiest way to do that is using the Remix, which is an online smart contract development platform. There are some smart contracts out of box like this one. The storage, it have a number and you can store it and got it. And there is a way to connect the MetaMask uh, to the coin network. You can use this environment and change it to the injected provider MetaMask. That means it will the mix is connected to the MetaMask and use the default
Bear,
account in
so
your.
sorry to interrupt. Can you zoom in your screen when you're sharing that so it's better for us?
Okay,
Thank you.
can
Yeah, and
this better?
can you zoom in the left part as well?
Okay,
Just a little bit. Okay, thank you.
left part.
I
Okay,
yeah, this is much better.
okay,
Yeah, much better.
okay.
Thank you.
You can click this and choose the injected provider MetaMask, and it will connect it to the MetaMask we talked about before, and switch to the injected MetaMask. Give me a second. Maybe I need to refresh the page. Default smart contract. Let's choose the storage and choose the here. Choose the injected provider mainnet. Why? Custom. Oh, why it doesn't loaded the smart contract? The coin network mainnet. Oh,
Maybe
sorry about that.
now maybe it's just taking a bit to load. We'll pause the video over here and come back when this loads. One. Hey guys, so Bear, can you show what went wrong?
Oh, you need to switch the coin test network here, and then you you choose the injected provider in the MetaMask here, and it will load it the test account one here. And before you deploy, you need to compare the storage, this smart contract, compare it, and then click this deploy. The MetaMask will ask you to confirm the transaction. You can click the confirm. Wait for some time. Here, uh, once the contract is deployment, it will appear in here. Uh, this is the smart contract. It has two functions, the store and the retrieve. And you can see the contract information here, the transaction hash. You can track the transaction here in the explore with this transaction hash. It may need some time to index this transaction in the explore side. Let's store a number five in this. Again, the MetaMask will ask you to confirm your transaction. Check out the detail about the transaction hash, block number, and then you can click the retrieve.
Bear, can you
Yeah,
zoom in more? I think it'll help.
you can see the number have been changed to five. Yeah, that's a simplest smart contract development and deployment with in the coin network. You of course you can use other script tools like Web3, GS, or Foundry or Hardhat to do smart contract development. Yeah, they are both of them works well.
Uh, Thank you so much, Bear. So for the next step, can we deploy our token and share it between two accounts, just as a quick test? Thank you. And also, can you please zoom in just a little bit more?
Okay,
Thank you.
uh, the left part or the right part?
Both, I would say.
Border. This works.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, that's all about the lesson of smart
Um,
contract development.
right,
You
Bear.
have some
Can
questions?
you deploy a new token and share it between the two accounts that you shared? But I think for this one, let's wrap this up because this has already been pretty long, for 15 minutes now. In the next video, we will deploy one sample token and we will show you how to transfer it between different chains. For the next video, we will be doing it on Darwinia just to show you how it feels like on the real one. Again, there isn't any difference between the real and the other one apart from the fact that these are um, these are different chains with a token valued at something and then a token not valued at something, just like how Rinkeby and mainnet Ethereum are different. Anyways, thank you so much, Veer, for your time. I really appreciate it. I look forward to having you in our next video.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.